Meow.
Can you see what the cat wants?
Meow.
I'm trying to cook dinner. I think I burnt it. It's kind of not
Okay, I'll go see.
coming off the plate.
Meow.
It's a loud cat.
Yes, kitty?
Maybe this needs more ketchup.
Meow.
Yes, kitty?
Meow.
Yes?
Meow.
Hungry?
Meow.
I think this to the... Can I
guess I
not?
just get the food since cats can't talk. Forget it.
Meow.
I lost the cat food. I have the cat food, and the cat food's gone again.
Meow.
This is not coming off. I think this meat is done for.
Just cat food into a container.
Maybe it just needs some. You
Wow.
know what? I'm great at cooking. It just needs
Place
some
is down for the kitty. There's some food for you, kitty.
Meow.
Okay, we're gonna just set some
Wow.
carrots in here. And some
Bath?
limes, because that's a great insertion. Get this ketchup out of here.
Meow.
No, I don't know
Bath?
what to say.
Get over here, it's bath time. You're leaving
Meow.
cat litter paws everywhere.
Meow. Meow.
Do you want catnip? Do you want the catnip?
The fuck do I look like?
You want catnip? Brother! The cat just talked to me.
No one will ever believe him.
No, the cat talked to me. Kitty, get up here.
Meow.
Kitty, get up here.
My mom's calling me.
Get
Hold
up
on.
here, kitty. The cat, I was like, do you want catnip, kitty? And the cat went, what do you think I am? Do you want catnip?
Meow.
Catnip?
Not speaking. I have dinner to cook. It's already stuck in the pan. I don't need it stuck anywhere else. I just need it.
Meow.
Okay.
Don't go insane. Don't go
I'm not.
schizophrenic, okay?
Little bitch, you listen here. You understand me? I am not going crazy. You're gonna go march up that damn stairs into the bathtub.
What if I don't, though?
You can talk!
And no one will ever believe you.
On you. Bath time.
Nah. Man, I'm good.
It's bath time.
I swear, if you touch me with water. Meow.
Caught you.
Meow.
Brother! Brother!
Meow. 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 Meow.
The cat talked to me.
Meow.
The cat talked to me.
It's not speaking to you.
I have it on video.
I have it
Hold
on
on.
video.
Yes, I do. I have it on video.
Meow.
There's no way that cat can talk.
Look. Where's my phone? The phone is disappearing.
Meow.
But look.
Meow.
Oh, wait.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Yeah, I don't see anything. I think your phone's dead.
Oh, here. Just pretend it's in my hand. Look.
Meow. Meow.
Oh. Are you sure you didn't edit that?
Meow.
It just laughed.
Meow.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what? I'm gonna go smoke a damn joint. Y'all can go.
Oh,
suck
no, you
one.
don't. I'll tell Mom. I'll tell Mom you're touching my shit.
I know where your stash is, though. Do you want to bring that up?
You don't tell Mom about anything.
Oh, what about your closet, huh?
You didn't.
Meow. My plan's going according to the app. I can speak. And I'm not even exposed myself to the sister. The brother will never believe. Meow. Meow.
They're being rude to me? I think I'm just gonna cook my dinner with fucking soap.
Meow. Meow.
What does that cat want now?
Meow.
Get up here, cat.
Meow.
I can't leave upstairs. I'm cooking soap and mystery meat.
Meow.
Are you outside?
Pours the beer into the pan.
Meow.
Brother
Get
will
inside,
murder
kitty.
Meow.
Come on.
Meow.
Brother will
I'll give you
murder
some food.
now.
Come on.
Meow.
Hopefully my brother doesn't see the liquidy inside the food.
Meow.
I'll do my hair.
No, I need to go cook. I swear I had some beer.
Meow.
Well, I'm probably going insane. I swear I had some alcohol though.
Meow.
Oh, okay. I'm
Meow.
gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Or should, oh god, I don't know what happened.
Meow. Meow.
Is he being mean? Why are you?
Why
What are
is-
you doing?
Why does the food look liquidy?
I don't know.
Where's your beer?
I guess I drink it. Well, anyways,
I'm
Oh.
not sure. That looks like
Here's
beer
your
in
food.
there.
did I? Did I stick the alcohol in here? Is that why this won't come off?
Yeah, I think you did. Well, I'm going downstairs getting Skittles.
Meow.
Oh my god, I just
I
found
just-
more of my brother's stash. What's this?
Don't touch my stash.
Meow.
Where are you?
Shh.
I'm lost in my own house. God fucking damn it. What stash? What?
Meow.
Oh my god, there's so much plants in here.
I'm gonna take it off at 20 degrees. We're not in Antarctica. Get out of there. That's not for people to look at. Yeah, look in here. Look in here. And then
What? This stuff?
get out. Okay, get out of here.
What is the cat scratching?
Fuck. I don't know.
Where's
I
the
thought
fucking
you were
cat?
with the cat.
No, I was smelling your marijuana stash. It's a fucking room. Oh, fuck.
The whole bed.
What are you two looking at? Have you not seen a
Do you wanna-
cat
do you wanna hit
scratch
the
before?
spray I'm going insane. I'm going fucking insane. No, I'm going insane.
What?
Grab a spray bottle secretly.
I think I need to stop smoking. I think I need to stop smoking. I'm just gonna.
I'm getting sprayed out like water. I don't like water. I don't like water. Stop,
It speaks.
please.
I told you this. Be good. I told you.
We're just gonna get rid of this. We're just gonna get rid of this.
Meow?
Yeah.
Oh my god, nope. Nope. We're going fucking insane. I'm going in the garage to smoke more.
Meow, meow. Pop. Meow.
Do you know bongs float? The bong
What?
is floating. The bong is floating.
What?
Meow.
The bong is floating.
Why the fuck is the bong floating?
The
Meow.
bong is floating. Hold on.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Well, I'm gonna go to our other brother's
think
room and
it's the
smoke some
weed.
more.
No, you're not.
Too late, I'm going.
Meow. Meow.
Stay out of my room.
Meow. Meow.
We could just leave the cat outside.
Meow. 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 I hate swimming. I hate water.
Stay out of my room.
Nice. You know what? Just for me being a nuisance like I am. Wow. The alcohol floats? What the fuck? Okay.
I don't want the cat outside. Just go to bed. In your bed. Let's go. Fucking cat. Oh.
Sup?
I'm gonna leave.
Just gonna lock that? Gonna lock that? No.
Okay then.
My bong!
I tell you
Wait, that
about
was our other brother's
smoking my
bong.
shit.
This isn't your room, this is the other brother's room. You threw his
Oh, what?
shit. Where did it go? I was smoking it. I want more. I'm gonna go find another one. What up, kitty? What up, kitty?
The fuck away.
Kitty.
God damn! Don't he slap me? God.
Yeah, you're just a cute kitty.
It speaks.
Meow meow.
I know. Mirror.
What in
I
the?
found a mirror.
Ooh.
Where's the
I don't know
mirror?
what that's gonna do, but I hope it does something.
There's a joint in here.
Oh, motherfucker.
I want it. Share
Don't touch it. Don't you fucking dare. No.
Meow meow.
Oh my fucking
Go fetch the joint. Bring it.
Meow meow.
I'm gonna go down to the secret room then. I'm going down to the secret room.
I'm gonna go die in the pool. Just gonna drown myself.
No you're not. Meow meow. No you're not. Meow meow.
Get the fuck out of here.
Meow meow.
Look at the water.
Oh my god. Your siblings
Oh my fucking
die.
god. I have more, weed if we don't go in the water. Just don't talk about freaking shit in the closet. Go get my secret stash. I'm hiding out.
You want some weed too, bitch?
Sure.
Here, smoke some.
Meow.
I'm just gonna...
Good job.
Why you hit me? What is so
I'm not hitting you, I'm petting you.
very violent?
You're so cute.
Very
I just
violently.
realized we never ate dinner. I gotta freaking go.
You know what? I'm just gonna go and go scratch up a couch.
Oh god.
Water.
I'm gonna scratch this couch up.
I need this. I'm just gonna... Oh, motherfucker. Come on. Strike you out. Grab on something.
Hee. Can I get in the window ledge so I can watch them? I'm too.
Get out of the water right now. I swear to God, if you do not get yourself the fucking house.
I wonder how my children have been since I've been gone. Kids!
Someone leave the front door?
Kids!
No, nobody's at the front door.
Mom.
Oh, kid! Hi! Oh, God.
I'm so stoned.
No more for you.
I died for a second.
I can explain, Mom.
And the cat was talking!
What cat? We don't have a cat!
Wait, we don't have a cat?
We don't have a cat?
What
Yeah,
cat are
we
you guys
do.
talking about?
There's some black cat with a beanie.
We don't
There's the
have a
cat.
cat.
Why do we have a cat tree and stuff in the...
Because
Huh?
I used to have a cat when I was younger. When I lived in this house when I was younger.
No! You've had enough problems.
I don't know, but we had a black cat here, with a beanie, and it was high with me. It was talking to us.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's time for you to go to bed. Come on, let's get you into your room.
No. I wasn't going here.
No, no, you, no, 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 no.
I'm not going to question it. As long as you both get to bed.
The mom, there's strippers in here.
What?
No,
Strippers in
I don't know
here.
what he's talking about. I don't know what they're talking about.
Ooh, there's hot shirtless men on here
Oh
too.
my God.
I don't know.
Brother's gay? There's hot men and women in here.
I don't know what he's talking about, okay?
There's tissues and lotion in here. Mom, come look.
No.
Mom.
Just gonna lock the door.
I think-
Lock the door.
Emerald, you need to let your sibling out.
Help. Help.
You need to let your sibling out.
Get out the
Mom, look.
No. I'm just gonna lock it from the inside, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the kitchen to get myself a drink.
Mom.
I had a long day at work.
Mom.
I had a too long of a day of
I
work.
want more weed.
No, you're not getting more weed.
Oh my gosh.
You're going to sleep. I'm getting a drink. I had a long day at work, and now my child is stoned out of their mind. Hey, my drink!
I also got the food stuck to the... So I fed them,
Fed.
so
Now,
I fed
you're
them,
grounded.
I kind of got the food stuck to the pan, so I kind of cooked the soap and...
Oh my god. You're grounded. Go to your room. Now.
The world is spinning. What is that?
It's my concoction. Now go to your room.
Mom, brother has porn in his closet.
I don't...
I really don't care right now. You're grounded. Go to your room.
But if I get grounded, he has to get grounded then, because he has porn.
I swear I don't, Mom.
Mom, look, come here.
No.
Why do you think he's hiding something? You're the mother here.
I locked the door. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh?
I have a key. I don't know why you lock me in. I also have a key for here.
Unlock it.
What was that? Why do you have tissues and lotion?
Look it.
I'd like to
Look in the closet.
myself.
Look in the closet. Grab the magazines, Mom.
No, no, no.
What maggot?
There's no magazines in there. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. No.
Why are you looking at back from the dead? What? Okay, you know what?
Mom, guess what Elsie also did?
What?
He threw our older brother, you know the one that's in college right now?
Yes, I know.
He
her
threw his bong across the room.
I was trying to get them from not smoking.
Oh my god, you're both grounded. I don't want to see you for the rest of the night.
Why do you have more tissues and lotion over here?
Why is it next to the Oculus I've got you?
So my hands get very dry when I play.
He watches porn! He watches porn!
Go to your room.
No, because, Mom, whenever I'm in my room at night, just sitting there playing my Legos, all I hear from his Oculus is, "Oh, Harder! Oh, yeah!"
Oh my god, I'm done with both of you. Right now, you know what? Where's the Oculus? I'm taking the controllers.
It's in his drawer. It's in his
I don't know
drawer.
where it's at.
It's in here.
No, it's not. No.
I'm taking the controllers
Mom,
with me.
Mom, look at Mom, his
I could
porn
just use hand
headset.
tracking, Mom.
Mom, he has it.
Give me your
No.
Oculus. You're grounded.
Look,
For the
there's
night.
nothing in here you don't need to, like, see.
Kid, I swear.
Look, Mom, we can talk about this, Mom.
We cannot talk about this. You're grounded, and your other sibling's grounded.
We can talk about this, Mom. I tried.
Just give me the Oculus, and this will go by faster.
Locks the door.
Stop blocking me. I have the keys to every... Oh my...
No.
Was that my bong? That was my bong. Go to your room. Now.
Mom, the cat fucked up your bed. You have to go look at it. Look
What
at the window. The
cat?
cat. Didn't you have a black cat growing up?
Yes! But it's
Didn't you
been
put a
dead.
beanie on it too?
We saw a black cat with a beanie, Mom.
It's been
In the
dead.
house.
It's
I
alive.
buried it. I literally buried it.
Obviously not. It was walking around the house, talking to me.
It don't talk. It goes meow. Oh my god.
They're gonna drown.
I'm going to go get your father. I can't deal with this no more.